Nangingisda sila.
Kleintjes of groot? Oh, mooi.
Kapitbahay namin sa harap. Ay, hindi harap, sa likod pala. Tingnan nyo yung tulips ko. Lapit nang tumubo. Ayan o, diba?
How cool you see through the grass, the green grass is coming through.
Yeah. Ah, look at that. It's doing good, huh?
Huh?
It looks better now, actually.
Dat wordt mooi.
And you see is that a flower? Yeah, I think it's a flower.
This you mean?
Yeah.
No, there's some new leaves.
Hello. We are visiting our garden. The weather today is very nice. Look at the kersen, the cherries. Ah, the cherries. Tingnan nyo yung cherries. Oh. Sana maka-harvest kami this year. This is my mint, thyme, rosemary, celery, and this is, oh my god, ano ba yun? Chives. Nasa isip ko, Dutch Bieslow. This is another mint. Blueberries, rhubarb. Sana mabuhay pa to. Strawberries. Ito, Brahman. Yeah, I know. And this one, I'm not sure if I don't see anything happening. Oh, there is. Ito yung grapes, green grapes. So, looking good.
Ja, daar is deze, die doet allemaal niks.
Welke?
Je moet gewoon hier in de hoek iets moois hebben.
Ja, is mis één.
Alleen deze
Ja,
doet, deze
één
doet ook niet.
plant. Nou, ik heb hier geplant.